Imagine a pile of cells so light it barely weighs a paperclip. Yet it decides if you feel energized or exhausted. That's your pancreatic beta cells, about 1 gram, running your body's sugar economy like tiny CFOs. Here's the shocker. Every carb you eat becomes a question your beta cells must answer in seconds. Do we release insulin now? And how much? They don't guess. They measure. Glucose slips in, gets burned for energy. ATP spikes. That flips molecular off switches on potassium channels. The cell's voltage changes, calcium rushes in, and pop. Insulin granules fuse and launch. First a fast burst, then a slower, sustained wave. Insulin is the key that opens your cell's doors, so glucose can move out of your bloodstream and into muscles and fat. But beta cells don't work alone. They live in islets, little neighborhoods with chatty neighbors. Alpha cells send glucagon to nudge more glucose out when you're low. Delta cells whisper somatostatin, basically shh, to keep everyone from overreacting. Beta cells also sync up through tiny gap junctions, pulsing insulin in coordinated rhythms your body listens to, and the gut checks in too. When you eat, hormones like GLP-1 and GIP, incretins, prime beta cells, food incoming. Be ready. That's why the same sugar hits differently if you drink it versus eat it with a meal. The secrets? Beta cells are picky about stress. They're protein factories, folding mountains of insulin. If demand stays high, the endoplasmic reticulum sounds the alarm. Misfolded proteins, burnout. They can even despecialize to survive, going silent to avoid damage. In type 1 diabetes, the immune system misidentifies them and attacks. In type 2, years of overwork fat signals and inflammation blunt their response. But they're not helpless. They adapt, grow, and sometimes bounce back when the pressure drops. Sleep, movement, and stable meal patterns help. They keep time too. Circadian clocks tune their sensitivity, so late-night eating can throw off the rhythm. So, what's the move? Be kind to your beta cells. Space your meals, favor fiber and protein, move after you eat, get good sleep, and let those tiny CFOs work in peace. 1 gram. Countless decisions, keeping your energy steady, one pulse at a time.